right, second qualifying pass. We're going to try to leave with a little less RPM than we did on the last pass. Well, that was a crap pass. I'm just not on it today. Yeah, that was just flipping awful. I did not do good. I'm just not on my game today like I was for the No Prep Kings. Makes me really sad because my car's got it in it if I could just drive it, but I'm just not with it today. I don't know what the hell my deal is. So cool. I love when they do ladders like this. All right, well, we get left lane. That's what we decided on. I'm not partial on the lanes, so we're gonna do left lane and then see how we go. These guys I'm racing are super cool. They were on race week with us the last 2 years. They're just a super cool team. I can't wait till I get some of my own kids to do this stuff with me. That is not what I wanted to see. Show looks like he blew up.
Oh, so he's still on the track, probably.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, for sure. That stinks. We didn't make a very good pass anyway. I let out when I seen him blow up. Sucks that those guys blew up. I don't know how bad it is. I'm gonna stop and see, but it's all right. Trent got knocked out of stick shift, so he's gonna be in the pro class. I'm gonna put you guys in with him. Well, Trent's out, and I'm still in on the stick shifters. That last pass wasn't that great, and it looks like their car's not hurt that bad. It looks like they just had a nitrous backfire, and it caught their air filter on fire. So they did a leak down test. Everything looks good. I hope nothing's hurt bad. That would be a bummer. So we're going to get some cameras charged. We're going to get ready for the next round of stick shifts. Get you guys out here. All right, so it is second round of eliminations. We're going to be racing a gray and blue Nova, it looks like. So we got to go find our partner.
To the finish line without breaking out, and he stays alive. And he's put pressure on.
Well, we got to look at the log on that. She was not happy. I let out of it. The car is not happy. I'm not sure. It feels like it's missing, so that's not good. I didn't bring any spark plugs with me, so that really sucks. I'm gonna have to see what's going on. Look at the log. She was not happy with that at all. Well, we have run two rounds of elimination, but neither of them was because I'm awesome. So that part kind of stinks. I wish that the car was running better. It broke up really bad in fourth, and I don't know, the data log looks good. So turn the boost down. It was on 17.5. I dropped it down to 15 pounds. We'll see how that works. No sense beating the snot out of the car. Next round is going to be really close, so I dropped my ET down from 1070 to 1090. I'm not going to try to beat the car up. All right, so it's time for the, what is this, third round? Yeah, third round of eliminations, and I have not been doing good. So I need to get out of my own head and stop, I don't know, stop doing whatever I'm doing. I've not run good. I let off both passes. One guy broke next to me, I let off, and then the other one, the guy red lit. We both red lit, but he red lit less bad than I did, so I let off. This round we're running a guy to, I think it's a Camaro or a Nova, but he runs 10.0s. He's really fast. I changed my dial down to 1090. White Nova. Okay. All right, so we get this white Nova in front of us. I guess he's dialed in at a 997, so we will do our best. Mad at myself, does not even cut it. Yeah, money shifted that one, and I just freaking, I let off. Today is not my day. I am just, I'm out of it. I'm just tired. I'm just exhausted, and it's not a race day. So we're gonna pack up, get the hell out of here, and yeah, call it good. This was probably the worst day of drag racing I've had in a long time. I just can't get out of my own way. What in the hell? We go from the best night of drag racing I've ever had at No Prep Kings to this, and man. Frustration. Like none of my times were good. Not a single one of them. Not even nothing. Nothing was good about it. My shifts were awful. Hitting the rev limiter every time. Like, I'm just not in it. And it's not a good day for drag racing. I don't know. Still better than my worst day at work, but I tell you what. Well, guys, if you made it this far, obviously you see my frustration with myself. I just frustrated with how good the car did last time I was out here versus how crappy I did this time, and I'm just being a little harder on myself because I'm so tired. So I'm gonna load up, I'm gonna go home, and I'm gonna rest because I need it. Drive fast, take chances. See you guys next time.